Welcome back to the course on content marketing. In this lecture, we will be discussing the concepts of a content audit and their importance in content marketing. Are you struggling to attract and retain customers through your digital platforms? Maybe your website has a lot of content, but you're not sure if it's effective. Or maybe you're not seeing the results you want from your content marketing efforts. That's where a content audit and gap analysis come in. A content audit is a process of reviewing and analyzing all of the content on your website or other digital platforms to assess its relevance, quality, and effectiveness. A gap analysis is a process of identifying the gap between the current state of your content marketing and your desired state. Both the content audit and gap analysis are important tools for improving the effectiveness of your content marketing efforts. Are you looking to take your content marketing to the next level, but not sure where to start? One of the first steps is to conduct a content audit. A content audit is a comprehensive review of all the content on your website or other digital platforms. This involves reviewing and analyzing each piece of content to assess its relevance, quality, and effectiveness. A content audit helps you understand what content you have and how it is performing. It also helps you identify gaps or opportunities in your content marketing strategy. The purpose of a content audit is to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of your content marketing. This provides a foundation for developing a more effective content marketing strategy. A content audit can help you to identify what works, what doesn't, and what needs to be improved. By conducting a content audit, you can gain valuable insights into your content and make informed decisions about the direction of your content marketing strategy. Here are some of the benefits of a content audit. 1. Improves content quality and relevance. 2. Increases website traffic and search engine rankings. 3. Increases engagement and conversion rates. 4. Saves time and resources. 5. Helps you to stay ahead of the competition. First, improves content quality and relevance. A content audit provides a comprehensive overview of your content, making it easier to identify areas that need improvement. By evaluating the quality and relevance of your content, you can ensure that it meets the needs and interests of your target audience. This can help to increase engagement and improve the user experience on your website or blog. Next, increases website traffic and search engine rankings. One of the key benefits of a content audit is the impact it can have on your website's traffic and search engine rankings. By identifying and removing low-quality or outdated content, you can improve the overall quality and relevance of your website, which can have a positive impact on your search engine rankings. Additionally, a content audit can help you to optimize your content for search engines, making it easier for users to find your website when searching for relevant information. Another benefit is increases engagement and conversion rates. A content audit can also help to increase engagement and conversion rates on your website or blog. By evaluating your content, you can identify what resonates with your target audience and what doesn't, and adjust your content marketing strategy accordingly. This can help to improve the overall user experience and increase engagement, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Additionally, it helps saving time and resources. A content audit can help to save time and resources by allowing you to focus on the content that is most effective and relevant. By identifying low-quality or outdated content, you can remove it from your website, freeing up time and resources that can be invested in creating new, high-quality content. Finally, it helps you to stay ahead of the competition. A content audit can help you to stay ahead of the competition by providing insights into what is working for your target audience and what is not. This information can help you to make informed decisions about your content marketing strategy, allowing you to stay ahead of the competition and remain relevant in an ever-changing digital landscape. Now, we will explore how a content audit can inform your content marketing strategy. Here are 5 ways in which a content audit can inform your content marketing strategy. 1. Identify your most popular content. 2. Determine your target audience. 3. Identify content gaps. 4. Optimize for search engines. 5. Improve the user experience. One of the first things you should do in a content audit is to identify your most popular content. By evaluating the performance of your content, you can identify which pieces are generating the most engagement, traffic, and conversions. This information can help you to focus on creating more of the type of content that resonates with your target audience and less of what doesn't. Another crucial aspect of a content audit is to determine your target audience. By analyzing your audience demographics, interests, and behaviors, you can create more personalized and targeted content that meets their needs and interests. You can use this information to create content that speaks directly to their pain points and solves their problems. A content audit can also help you identify content gaps in your current content strategy. This involves finding topics or areas that your audience is interested in, but you haven't covered yet. By filling these gaps, you can provide your audience with valuable information that they can't find elsewhere, thus positioning yourself as a thought leader in your industry. A content audit can also help you optimize your content for search engines. By identifying keywords and phrases that your audience is searching for, you can incorporate them into your content to make it more discoverable. You can also ensure that your content follows the latest SEO best practices, such as using internal links, optimizing title tags, and creating meta descriptions. Finally, a content audit can help you improve the user experience of your website or blog. By analyzing user behavior, you can identify any issues that are preventing your audience from engaging with your content, such as slow loading times or broken links. You can then make the necessary changes to improve the user experience, which can lead to increased engagement and conversion rates. Let's move to the steps for conducting a content audit. Conducting a content audit can seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into manageable steps can help make the process more manageable. The first step in conducting a content audit is to set your goals. The second step is to inventory your content. The next step is to evaluate your content. The next step is to identify areas for improvement. The next step is to optimize your content. Finally, monitor and measure your results. Before you begin your content audit, it's important to set your goals and determine what you hope to achieve. This could include identifying your target audience, improving your search engine rankings, increasing engagement and conversion rates, or identifying content gaps. Having clear goals will help you to focus your efforts and measure the success of your audit. The first step in conducting a content audit is to inventory your content. This involves creating a list of all the pages and posts on your website or blog, along with information such as the publication date, author, and keywords. This inventory will serve as the basis for your content audit. Once you have an inventory of your content, the next step is to evaluate each piece of content. This could include evaluating factors such as relevance, quality, engagement, and search engine optimization. You can use a spreadsheet or content audit tool to record your findings and provide a comprehensive overview of your content. Based on your evaluation, identify areas for improvement, such as low quality or outdated content, poorly optimized pages, or content that is not resonating with your target audience. This information can help you to prioritize your efforts and make informed decisions about your content marketing strategy. Based on your findings, you can optimize your content for search engines, improve the user experience, and increase engagement. This could include updating or removing low-quality or outdated content, optimizing your content for search engines, or improving the design and navigation of your website. Finally, it's important to monitor and measure the results of your content audit. This could include tracking metrics such as website traffic, search engine rankings, engagement, and conversion rates. This information can help you to make informed decisions about your content marketing strategy and measure the success of your audit.